Choosing the right PDF editor can make a huge difference in your productivity, especially if you work with documents every day. 3 of the most popular tools today are UPDF, Adobe Acrobat, and Nitro Pro. Each one offers powerful features, but they also have clear differences in pricing, ease of use, and performance. In this video, we'll compare these 3 PDF editors to help you figure out which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's start with UPDF. This tool has been gaining a lot of attention because of its clean interface and affordable pricing. UPDF makes editing incredibly simple. You can change text, images, backgrounds, and even entire layouts without needing advanced skills. It also includes strong conversion features, allowing you to turn your PDF into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Another advantage is its OCR technology, which can turn scanned documents into searchable and editable files. Plus, UPDF supports multiple platforms like Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, and it even offers AI-powered tools such as summarizing or rewriting content. For users who want a modern design and great value for money, UPDF is a strong choice. Next is Adobe Acrobat, the industry standard for PDF tools. Acrobat offers the most advanced and comprehensive set of features, from professional-level editing to secure digital signatures, form creation, and highly accurate OCR. It's extremely reliable and integrates well with other Adobe products. However, all these capabilities come with a cost. Adobe Acrobat is the most expensive among the 3, and it requires a monthly subscription. Its interface can also feel a bit overwhelming for beginners because of how feature-packed it is. But if you need enterprise-level tools or you handle complex documents, Acrobat remains the most powerful option available. Finally, we have Nitro Pro. Nitro takes a more business-focused approach, offering strong editing tools and excellent performance, especially for large files. It has a familiar office-style ribbon interface that many users find easy to navigate. Nitro also includes solid features like conversion, form filling, OCR, and batch processing, which is great for handling multiple documents at once. One of its advantages is that it traditionally offered a one-time license, making it appealing for those who prefer not to pay a subscription. However, it may lack some of the advanced features that Adobe provides and may not have the modern design or AI tools found in UPDF. So which one should you choose? If you want an affordable, modern, and beginner-friendly editor with all the essential features, UPDF is a great pick. If you need the most powerful and professional set of tools and don't mind the subscription cost, Adobe Acrobat is still the gold standard. And if you prefer a business-friendly solution with fast performance and a familiar interface, Nitro Pro might be the best match for you. If this comparison helped you decide, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching.